The magical bathroom. In my house, there's a special room called the bathroom. It's not just any bathroom. It's a place where amazing things can happen. It has a big, white bathtub that can become a pirate ship sailing on the high seas. Above the tub, there's a shower head that can rain down magical, sparkling water. When you close the shower curtain, you're in a secret cave, hidden from the world. We have special potions in our bathroom. One is a slippery soap that can make you slide like a penguin on ice. Another is a bubbly shampoo that can create mountains of fluffy, white clouds. After a fun bath, we use soft towels to dry off. They feel like a warm hug from a big, fluffy bear. We also have small washcloths that are perfect for washing our faces and hands. The sink is a magical pond with 2 waterfalls, one hot and one cold. When you pull the plug, the water disappears down a secret tunnel. The toilet is a mighty throne. When you flush it, a powerful whirlpool carries everything away to a faraway land. In our bathroom, we have a treasure chest called the medicine cabinet. Inside, you can find all sorts of interesting things, like toothpaste that makes your teeth sparkle, and colorful makeup that can turn you into a superhero. My mom uses the makeup to paint her face with beautiful colors. She can become a brave warrior or a graceful princess. We also have magic wands for our hair, like brushes and combs. They can make your hair stand up straight like a lion's mane or be as smooth as a calm river. We only have one magical bathroom, so we have to take turns using it. But it's okay because we know that when it's our turn, we'll have a new adventure waiting for us.